Wait, these are all 7075 aluminum trucks, just about fully upgraded aluminum truck. So we're gonna send it. Up. All right, guys, check it out. We got the brand new Hobbywing 1250 kV, ready to tear it up. Big old choppers on there. All right. We're on, radio's on. We're on the Fly Sky. Switched over from the Futaba. Alright. Check it out, clipless body, or clipped body now. Alright, here we go. This is his first run, maiden voyage. We'll see how it does. Stiffer springs in the front. We put blue in the front and yellow in the rear. And we're running 1035, I believe, or 1040. I can't remember. 1540, 2040, I don't know, guys. I'll let you know later. Alright. I think I gotta glue those in too.
The basher body.
Basher body. I need to make this look easy. Dude, are you kidding me?
I know, it's right there too. I can't see it anymore.
I just looked at it fall down on the ground, and then it literally just, oh, there it is, disappears in the weeds.
Nice find.
Alright, so let's give these guys a shout out right here. Basher body. Basher body, yeah!
Let's get it. Already?
Oh yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
I'm just gonna go for it. Let's see here, I hear it skipping right off the bat. You're gonna have to tighten it up. You have to tighten that bad boy up. Alright, we're gonna need a bigger block too, so check this out. Something simple you guys can do. You guys can just cut yourself a little wooden wedge and stuff it under there. It's gonna keep any mount from bending, because they're all gonna bend no matter which one you put in your truck. So alright, well guys, the block isn't gonna work so well anymore, so the belt is skipping, and that's why we're out here testing these 3mm belts. So super simple, guys. This is super simple to adjust this mount. I use this. You can use whatever you want and do it in the field, but I just take something to kind of just loosen them up. And as far as these bolts go, because you don't want to make them like super tight. There we go. That should do it. Hopefully it doesn't skip anymore. Alright guys, this motor has got a lot of power. I don't remember what gear ratio I got on here, but this new Hobbywing and this new censored stuff, check it out guys. Alright, there we go. We got it all tightened up and we're ready to rip again. Alright, check it out. Basher body first run. Got it all stickered up.